4G, GPS, and Wi-Fi. Okay, first connect the antenna. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. And this MDVR supports to search and connect with Wi-Fi hotspots. And you can search the Wi-Fi hotspots via the OSD menu and connect it. It is very convenient to operate. Okay, and this is the 4G antenna. It supports a 4G SIM card. And for most cards, after it inserted into the MDVR can get the 4G signal directly, automatically. This is the GPS antenna, and it can record the GPS speed and position, and it can show on the CMS video app and playback the GPS. And also it supports to download and save the GPS stats. Okay, first connect and then connect the 4 cameras. Insert into the 4-pin aviation connector directly. Our cameras are real 2 MP. It is higher clear. Microphone to record audio. You can select one channel, like we select channel 1. More higher resolution video compared with AV output. Okay, and the monitor gets power via the MDVR directly. The MDVR has 12 outputs. Okay, this cable. Okay, it has 12 outputs. They power the monitor directly. Okay, now power cable of the MDVR. This MDVR supports 8 to 36 wide voltage. It can work on all the cars. Okay, now here unlock the SD card door. And you can see here is to insert a SIM card, and this to insert the SD card. It supports any SD card with any storage. Now there is maximum like 512 GB SD card, and it can also work on it. Wires. It is connected to here, but in the video we cannot do the test. And there are 4 green wires. It receives alarm trigger signals of channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. And like if you turn light or back or parking your car, the screen will show full screen of the channel automatically. Okay, and we also support to DIY this loading image. If you want to DIY your loading image, please contact us. It is very convenient to change the loading image. Just update the DVR. Okay. Now let's check that whether it is recording. Okay. Now as it shows that RAC and red port, it means that it is recording. And if your card is not larger than 32 GB, please log in via admin account to the desk and the disk to format your SD card on the DVR. Okay. And it can also set the record resolution. Okay. Here back. 不是，它操作的时候它不会录像的。The record here. Okay, record. It can also set the record resolution. Record resolution. 这样那个。Record. The record here, yes, and okay, the default resolution is D1, and you can set to the resolution you want. It supports maximum 2 MP to CIF. Okay, you can set any resolution you want. If you want to mirror image the video, and you can set via the OSD menu. It is very convenient. First, select the channel that you want to change, like channel 1, and this horizontal flip, just take it, okay, and then apply. And then restart.
Log in with admin. Feature setting. The Wi-Fi setting, search hotspot, and connect to choose your Wi-Fi and input the password. Okay, save it and apply. Okay, we can check the status. Check it. Please wait a moment. Okay, connect successful. Okay, and then here is the user and IP, and the server we provide is for free. You can use it for Google Map. And then log in the CMS v6. Okay, log in it with the here user and the password and the IP. Okay, and log in it. Okay, here you can choose the maps. Okay, and also you can choose here to see the videos. Okay.